Getting out now. Oh, it's so hot. Oh, it's so bright. I need my sunnies. Heading out now. I'm getting my teeth removed. I reckon I'm gonna have 2 of them removed. It's gonna be sucky. And by the way, look at my reflection. I can't see my reflection. Okay. Oh man. So I'm heading out now. I'm having my teeth removed by my good buddy Tristan. And yeah, it's gonna be a long day because I'll be picking up the mamone. I'll be picking up the mamon from in fact, I need to bring my drone. I need to go back inside. Hold it. Okay, here. Okay, I'm back. Just need to bring my drone. Like, I usually bring my camera everywhere, but right now I'm also bringing my drone wherever I go. So there's my drone. And gosh, yeah, I'm gonna remove the plates. Laura's still P-plate. For left a lot of stuff here. Anyway, what the fuck's my key? Here's my key. So yeah, I'll be heading out first to the dentist to have my teeth removed. After that, I'll be picking up some mamon at Melton. They're really good. I'll show them to you later. For now, see ya. Key. Yeah. Just arrived at the dentist and I'm late. Freaking late. Okay. Hey. Yeah. Take a video. So I just got my teeth removed and then I look like this. Fucking shit. Say hi to Tristan. Yeah. No. Okay. So that was a quick trip to the dentist, and he told me that my sinus is really big, which is not good. Motherfucker doesn't work. That's why I thought I would try to. Still don't understand me now. I just got 2 of my teeth removed today. I just realized I haven't eaten anything also. Now I'm fucking hungry. I'm just drinking my saliva. That girl out there, she thinks I'm a private investigator of this because of this big camera. What a day. So you just arrived at Papa Bear Break Shop. I'm just gonna get some hopya wherein I won't be able to eat. So here it is. Papa Bear Break Shop. This is where you get good filo hopya. And again, I can't eat it. What the fuck? Anyway, I get in. What's he doing? Hey.
The cat's player working hard into that space. He didn't back his leg in, and by the time he decided to kick it,
so apparently there's no hopya. We will help you out tonight, so just settle for one day. We used to make the big cup. Well, but anyway, if you want to get good hopya, come over here at around 3 p.m. and you get good hot hopya. Yeah, that's it. I need to go to Geelong. No, I mean, need to go to Melton to get the mamon for Tita tomorrow. Tita will be coming from the US and we're gonna have the whole few days together. Time to pick up some pain relievers. Chemist Warehouse it is. Pain relievers. Okay. Pain relievers. Okay, apparently apparently I lined up with the chemist and I lined up at the dispensary, and I realized it's not the cashier. So I gave her my medications and tried to pay for it. And she looked at me funny. Then I realized I was lining up for the dispensary, not for the cashier. That was a major fail. Yeah. I've gone full on vlogging now, and one thing I noticed is that a lot of people look at me funny. Even if I have my camera pointed in my face, they look at me like, what the fuck is he doing? Sometimes they feel like I'm filming them, but no, I'm not filming you. I'm filming myself, mate. Sorry. But yeah, I'm still gonna do it. It's fun though, seeing them like, what the fuck is he doing? Yeah. Here now, meeting my good buddy Romel. Yeah, his house is really locked up. That's his car. There's no doorbell. I need to call him. Okay. It's not answering. He should be around. Ah, bro. Naka sa bus. Sige, bye. Okay, I'm waiting for Romel to open the door. He's gonna be shocked because I have a camera in front of his face. This camera is heavy. Really heavy. I got a 6D and a 1740 plus the Rode videomicpro, and it's fucking heavy. I'm just thinking Peter McKinnon's holding a 1DX Mark II, just much bigger, much heavier. What the fuck? Oh, it's opening.
Oh,
Bro!
oh wait.
Nice view! Oh, look at the trees.
Turn
They're
right
so
onto Bronhill Misty.
nice. Okay, just arrived at Point Cook. Quick client meeting. She's gonna come up with files. Oh, there's 2.1. I think this is it. Let's check it out.
Turn right onto Morris Road.
Just passed by Vince's place. Wanted to stay, but it's so cold. Came by Vince's place and just dropped some items. Unfortunately, it was too cold. I have to run to this shopping center and do my thing. Answer the call of nature. But yeah, I'm heading home now. It's been a long day. Long half day. Check out those creepy clouds out there. Oh. It's like the end of the world, or like, I don't know. Anyway, I need to go home. Yeah, it's been a long day. My teeth is better now. I don't know if the anesthesia is gonna wear off and it's gonna hurt. And I'm also eating a lot of yeah, I'm eating now. So see you tomorrow. I'll be up early, I hope. That's all. Okay. As I was editing the file, I realized I didn't put color grading on. Yeah, forgot. I might try it tomorrow, but I don't know. I'll see how it goes. Good night.